This is PJ Azrin, and for today we're gonna discuss how to check who are your subscribers using your YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay? So, paano ka ba mag-check kung sino yung mga nag-subscribe sa inyo? Sino yung mga nag-follow sa inyo recently for the past 90 days? And if you want to get back to them or you want to connect with them as well, I will teach you how to check that. Not checking on your comments, not checking on your Gmail, but using your YouTube Studio. Okay? This is your first time visiting my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my upcoming videos and live streams. Alright, you can also click the join button so that you'll be able to have special access to channel memberships ng Team Tugtugan. Okay! Okay, on your dashboard, you can just go scroll it down, and you'll be able to see section here. There's a recent subscriber section, so you'll just check that one. Okay, normally lahat ng mga nagsasubscribe sa akin, sinasubscribe ko din. Alright, I try to make sure to follow them back. Okay, and if you want to know who subscribed you for the past 90 days, just click this date subscribe. Okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of people who subscribed me today and the other day, and some of them I already subscribed to. So what you can do, and what I will do also for this day, is just click this one, open link on new tab, and then open link in new tab, and I will go to their channel as well. Alright, and that's it. You will be able to visit their channel, check their channel, and if you want, you can also subscribe to their channel as well. Okay, that's it. So I will get back to this, all of them. Alright, so yun. Sana meron kayong natutunan, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this so that marami pa tayo matulungan at maturuan sa paggamit ng YouTube Studio. Alright?